Do you want the fizziness of soda pop without having to drink soda? Then this video is for you. Well, hello beautiful people. Welcome back to the hallway. I'm Janelle Hall. I love God. I'm a mom, and I do not drink soda. What do I drink instead? I drink ginger bug probiotic soda. Today I'm going to show you how I make my fizzy ginger bug probiotic healthy soda. So what is a ginger bug? Here it is. It is a SCOBY, or a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. That's a fancy way of saying it's a bunch of microorganisms that live in a jar, and they are super duper healthy for us. The bacteria and yeast that live in the jar come from the ginger itself. They are alive and they live on this organic chopped ginger, which you then feed sugar and you keep it alive just like you would a sourdough starter. So for this recipe, you are going to need a ginger bug, an active, alive ginger bug. You'll need a little funnel, and you will need a glass jar, and your juice of choice. Remember, the bacteria feed off of sugar, so this should be a sugary beverage. I'm using organic carrot and orange juice from Aldi. Here is my ginger bug. It is just water, sugar, and chopped organic ginger. And I will come out with another video about how I make it. So you take your ginger bug and you pour it, funneling out all the ginger pieces, and you fill your jar with the pop tab about 1/4 of the way full. I filled mine a little bit too far, so it made it extra fizzy, but that's okay. Then you take your juice and you fill your glass jar the rest of the way with juice. Remember to leave a little room at the top so that when you pop it, it doesn't fizz everywhere like mine did at the beginning of this video. Just like that. Now you leave it on the counter at room temperature for 2 days. This one won't be as fizzy because I popped it real slowly, but it definitely still made a noise, and it definitely is active and bubbly and super fizzy. You'll be able to see when I pour it here. Yum. This is such a delicious beverage. It's so good for you. The anti-inflammatory benefits, the digestive support. It is an ancient medicine. It is the original soda. I hope you make it for yourself. Thank you for being with us in the hallway. Have a beautiful day.